Yo, what is going on, everyone? It's Toby here, back with another banger video with Xander. But right now, I'm going to take an exam, and he's taking solely to get an oil change. So he's going to film the whole process, and you guys are going to get to see the metal shavings and the oil after the first oil change. And then I'm going to meet back up with him, and we're heading to Universal. So stay tuned for the full vlog. It's going to go absolutely crazy.
All right, guys, we made it to the oil change place. Brake issue is going to be fixed. It seems to be that the brake fluid is low on the car already, which is crazy for only being at 1,500 miles, but we're gonna do oil change, get some brake fluid, and then we'll get everything sorted. Thing takes a lot of oil.
Chain course, 0-40. So I just got out of class. I got an 88 on the exam, but when Xander took the car to get an oil change, they didn't let him see the oil, and then they didn't let him film anything, so it was kind of sketchy and weird.
Yeah, it was kind of a sus experience.
So unfortunately, you guys will not be able to see how many like metal shavings came out of that oil. And then when Xander asked about the metal shavings, which is completely normal for a new motor, the guy was like, no metal shavings in the car.
Yeah,
like there was nothing.
Tell me there was nothing in the, no metal shavings, no nothing.
Bro, these people out here are so sketchy. Oh my god. So it's kind of disappointing that we couldn't show the oil change. I thought that was a pretty cool learning moment, but what we're gonna do with this car is head to Universal now. So we need to pack up everything at the apartment. I have so much stuff to bring home because I'm not coming back to Gainesville until what, the fall?
Yeah.
So August. So Xander's got to come visit again in West Palm Beach, but we got to go grab all the stuff and bring it down now. We're back up at the apartment now, and we need to grab all the Sally car parts, and then we're heading to Universal. So this is like the short throw that I got from Sita. We're definitely taking that home. This is a new pulley 3.7, so I can make like 60 more wheel horsepower. And then what is this? This is a wheel hub because they didn't replace the wheel hub after the accident, and the wheel is literally about to fall off. We have a drive shaft safety loop from BMR. So we have all these parts we need to slap on Sally, and we're just gonna throw them in the Camaro and go to Universal. All right, boys, I think we're also gonna need to eat because we have not ate anything. Woke up so late because we've been staying up talking about cars and stuff. Xander just got his ZL1 1LE, so you put the deposit on a Rapid Blue one, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's gonna be super exciting. I can't wait to see what we do with that. And then we're having our own content house too, which has been minimally discussed so far, but that'll be awesome. Once we get it all sorted out, we're gonna have like 5 cars in the garage. Yeah, we're going to Orlando, you know, we're talking in the car, having a good time, listening to some J. Cole. And Xander, what happened?
I don't know, dude. Dude, this red Explorer just turn on and think these flashing lights.
Oh Lord. So Xander's getting a speeding ticket in my car. You know, we had this discussion before that you don't feel the speed in this car. You said you're probably gonna get a ticket.
I thought I was doing like 85, I swear to God.
Oh man, that sucks. All right, you know what? This all makes more sense now. He's actually an undercover. I didn't think he was undercover, so completely unmarked with nothing on it. We're cruising here. So you passed him while he was on the road?
Yes.
Oh my God. Jesus, bro.
Contact the clerk's office within 30 days and ask for a hearing. Or if you want to use what's called the driver improvement school option, what that'll do for you is it'll keep the points off your driving record. If you want to use that option, it also keeps reduces the fine by 15%. So what you would do is you complete the affidavit in the bottom right corner. That's telling the clerk.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, I got a little bit of a ticket.
Well, that's not may or may not. That's I got a ticket.
Well, I got a ticket, and it's not that bad, but it's relatively bad.
What is it, Xander?
9 and a 70. But hey, listen. The dude was pacing me. I was definitely totally not doing a...
So now that all the ticket drama is over, we're pulling up to Universal. We're gonna have a good time here. So I've never been to Universal this late at 6 o'clock at night, but apparently this car also needs brake fluid, and we had a misunderstanding, and I thought that there was brake fluid in this car, and there's not. So we drove about 2 hours with no brake fluid on the highway, and the car is barely stopping. I don't know why this Chevy's leaking brake fluid though. That's not good. You know what? That's why I was asking you if there was a leak, because I thought you topped it off and that it would start spilling again.
The only thing I top off is you.
Hey yo!
Hey yo!
So we're gonna have to go to like an AutoZone or something and get like .4, I think, and put it in here. And then one of my brake lines might be ruptured, which is really weird. Probably a manufacturer's defect. Bro, this guy's going crazy right now. It's like, isn't it candy store? Hey Xander, chill out, bro.
What's up, bro?
Bro's running through the crowd to get to the lines. Which ride are you going on first?
Probably the Hulk, bro.
Yeah?
$20.
I haven't been on that since like Rad Bash, like senior year of high school.
L plus bozo, bro. Get these bozos out my way. It's my park now. I don't know what you're talking about.
bro, my glasses just broke. What are we hitting up Hulk first? Right?
Oh, yes sir, yes sir.
It's like an actual ride. Wait, no, I've been on it. I've been on it one time. It's like Fast and Furious.
Yeah, we're not doing a 90-minute wait.
Yeah,
my
no,
boy.
that's not. We just did the Hulk. We were thinking about doing Kong, but it's just not worth the wait right now. All right, so we just tried to hit up Hagrid's, right?
Yeah, dude.
And there is no shot we're going on that ride until like the last ride of the night because it was like 100 minutes. Now we're gonna try and hit up Velocicoaster, but it looks like the same thing. Xander managed to bring us here during the most crowded time possible.
Bro, it is the end of April. What the are y'all doing here?
I think we're just gonna bite the bullet here and wait, what, 100+ minutes for this ride?
Taking the L, boys.
Whatever. But when we get home, we have to use some self-tapping screws on those side skirts because I'm surprised that they even stayed on for as long as the drive was to Gainesville.
But tomorrow's video, we will be installing the seated short throw shifter on the Mustang.
Oh yeah.
And then after this, I think we're gonna go grab some food at Cheesecake and then probably head home.
All right, so I just went on Hagrid's Adventure with Xander and he kept hyping it up. I wish I could have recorded it, but they said no oversized cameras. So maybe if I come with a GoPro next time.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
That ride definitely was worth the how many minute wait? Like 2 hours?
Almost 2 hours.
Yeah, it was nuts. But we're gonna probably dip out of here. Maybe eat at City Walk. I don't know. I think that's the best idea because by the time we get somewhere else,
9:30.
it's super late already, and we got a shifter to install on Miss Sally tomorrow, and I gotta study. And we got to go to the gym, and Xander has to leave, so there's so much to do. So Xander, you want to show us that ZL1 1LE in Rapid Blue that you ordered up? Put the deposit on this thing. Look at this thing. Black hood, the Canards 1LE package with the big wing on the back. I'm gonna have the carbon fiber version, so we're gonna be twinning a little bit right there. I mean, look at this thing. You got red calipers too?
Yeah.
Oh my
Exactly
God,
that spec.
dude, this spec is insane. Euro taillights with black tint on the edges?
Yeah.
They make that?
Yeah, that's the one that that comes with the car.
That is so dope.
The
Jesus,
smoked,
bro.
The smoked like outer lens.
Oh my God, look at this car. He's got the dream car. Sully cannot compete. We're on our way back home now. We had some dinner and look at this. Look what's going on right now. So that, what is that, a Volkswagen?
It's a Tiang or whatever the called.
Oh my God, he's getting ready to race that bike.
The bike's not gonna race it.
Yeah, he's not, but he's gonna take off on the light. And I wanna get it on video because it's comical. There you go, look, he went. No, he went and raced him. What the heck? Bro, what the heck?
What the
The stuff you see in downtown Orlando, bro. What the heck? Oh my God. What the heck?
We saw Bozo.
Wait, that's gold?
No. Hey, yo, what were you saying?
I'm not.
What were you saying, bro? Just say it.
Saying that again. So we are now back in West Palm. We did way too much driving, but we had a fun time at Universal. And I was thinking about doing like a self-tapping screw in the side skirts. I mean, they haven't fallen off yet, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna postpone that because Xander is unfortunately leaving today. So probably gonna do a TikTok video on that, and then we're gonna film a separate gym split video for back and buy day. All right, so here's a quick update on things. Xander got that speeding ticket. He then flew back to Arkansas after we went to Universal. Then I pulled the clips off from Universal and we did not have enough video to actually physically make a vlog because I guess it was super fast and rushed. We got there like 3 hours before it closed and we only went on 2 coasters that didn't allow us to film or anything. So what I'm gonna do is pick up a VMS drag pack in Port St. Lucie tomorrow morning. If you guys have no clue where that is, it's basically 50 minutes north of where I live. And this is a drag pack for the Camaro. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go to sleep and then I'm gonna catch you guys when I wake up tomorrow morning. We're gonna meet up with Gino, pick up the drag pack, do a little bit of an unboxing and show what it looks like, and then we'll see what the rest of the day holds. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Boom, just like that, it's the next morning. We're gonna go pick up the drag pack. We are a little bit late, but the guy kind of like pushed it back by an hour. We have to jump in the car, drive 50 minutes, pick up the drag pack. Hopefully we don't get robbed. So I'm going with Gino here. And we'll see you once we start driving. That's the oil cooler you have?
Yeah, I have to cover it so that I can
That's
get
the
to
Mishimoto one?
Yeah, it's the
All right, boys. Gino was showing me the FRS, the Batmobile, right? And now we're gonna go pick up this drag pack. So I'm gonna hop in the Camaro, probably make a TikTok or 2 on the way, do an unboxing. I think it'll look pretty cool, but then I gotta order some tires. So right now, in the comment section, let me know if I should get some Street R's or some Street SS. Comment down below. Were you watching it when I was sleeping?
Yeah.
How'd it go? Who's winning? Like, who's in first place right now?
Max Verstappen.
Where is it? Like, where is that,
In Imola, Italy.
Oh, in Italy?
Yeah.
Oh, those are the new cars, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Alrighty, boys, we're 3 minutes out from the drag pack. Oh my god, that guy is not gonna let me merge out. Nice. And those are the Florida drivers, bro. If you're gonna drive 100 miles an hour in the furthest right lane when people are trying to merge out, what the heck? What the f is up with that guy? Gino was on his way to my house this morning, and apparently he spun out, like, on the highway. So you care to share what happened?
So I took a turn earlier, and like, I don't know, like, it was like the road was wet, and like I was on new tire, like used tires. So like I just took the turn, like a turn I usually make and have no issues. And like I spun out, and I didn't spin out. I lost traction in front of a cop. He didn't care. So like on the off ramp, right going to Toby's house, I was like, okay, there's no one around me. Let me purposely try and see and lose traction to see how the tires are. I knew they weren't great. So like I took the off ramp at like 40 an hour, and I did a full 360, and some homeless guy saw me. I was like, yo, what up?
It's probably so awkward. Like, yeah, I think he said an MDX, but I don't see. Oh wait, is that him? Is that an Acura MDX right there? Yeah, it is.
That one, yeah.
So I think that's where we got the drag pack. So they've been used before, or no? They're brand new.
Oh no, there's a guy who bought him and returned it.
Oh really?
Paid him.
That's for the Camaro, right?
Yeah.
All right. What's your PayPal so I can get that sorted out? All right, we got it acquired. Gino, you got the box? Oh, we got to make some room up here in the trunk.
Go check that out.
What, the lizard? So these are the VMS drag pack. Jay actually has this on his car, so that's why I got the inspo. And I think it's gonna look really good. So these are 17s. They should fit the car. If not, we're gonna have some issues. And I think I'm gonna get like a Mickey Thompson Street R. Not entirely sure yet. I have to make that final decision, but this is basically what they look like at most. They're like flow formed, I think. Yeah, they're light, right?
Like rotary form? Yeah.
Yeah. Bro said I gotta get that breakfast sandwich from Wawa. So what should I get here? Breakfast?
Same thing I did.
Or lunch? Coke. That's the Coke one. We gotta get some bangs before we hit up the gym, because right after the drag pack, we're going to the gym. That one's the half decent one out of all of those, bro.
Peach mango?
Yeah. The purple one's definitely gonna be terrible.
Good.
Okay, Gino. So we're gonna hit up the gym with Papa Gino. But take a look at these wheels. This is how much smaller they are than OEM. And that's a lot smaller. And you get a good amount of weight reduction. And Gino was explaining the physics to me, Mr. Engineer, but basically the smaller the tire you have, the less weight, the less torque that the car has to produce to spin the wheels. So the car is gonna pick up like 1/10 on the quarter mile at a minimum, maybe 2/10, but it's sprung weight, right?
Nah, the wheel is unsprung weight.
Okay, just got back from the gym. We hit a quick little chest and back day, right?
Yeah.
And I think there's not much else to put in this video. The Rapid Blue is looking super good in this lighting, but we're gonna slap those on, possibly considering a Street R or a Street SS, maybe a Street SS because I want to drive them on the road a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty much gonna do it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.